Page 8. Vous, diarrhea, ma'am, or something. I'm not sure. I don't speak that language. I don't know what that is. That translates, I guess, to I will tell you, mother dear. 4/4 time. This melody is actually from, I think, a Haydn symphony, but that's all right. People take famous melodies and they add words to them and they make songs out of them. It happens all a lot. Right hand. Now your hands are starting to move around a little bit, so look out. You're starting out here with thumb on C. So you're starting in this position, not going to stay there, but you're here. And right there in the first measure, you have 2 C's, and then on the G's, you have a 5 and a 4th finger. Now you have to look at first, but eventually you want to get to where you can do this sort of move, just one finger, without looking. You feel your way up. You develop a feel for that eventually, with any finger actually. But that's what we need, the little finger for the next measure. So it's 4 here. And then third measure, it's 3, 4 again, here, here. See, we just switched. We went here to here. So it's here. So, second line's the same. Third line, you're down here. You're not moving around, and the last line is the same as the first and second. Not so bad, I hope. Left hand, you're down here. Third, you're in this position. So it's, I mentioned this was in key of C major. I forget that. There's no sharps or flats. And again, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. And an F. And a D. Make sure you got all these notes. They may not be what you think they are. The left hand's not moving around. So it's the right hand that's moving. Look at it in the left hand. On the third line, they threw you a curve here. You've been in this position. If you look at the second measure in the third line, it's here and then here. The little finger goes down one to get that, and then comes right back. You're not moving the hand, you're just moving the little finger down. There. So just be aware that you are moving a little bit. Put the hands together slowly. You're here. Work that out, get rid of the hesitations and any glitches you may have, because the beat's got to be steady. You can go really, really slow. It's not important right now. Getting the notes in the fingering and just steadiness is what we're after here. When you can do that, you can add the articulation. They don't give you any. They say cantabile in between the stas. The left hand that's got legato, which means connect them all the way through, connect the left hand. And the right hand, cantabile means in a light singing style. Think light singing. Okay. Now whatever that is, and you just put the hand, just make sure this left hand's legato. Then you can add the dynamics. Well, not a lot in dynamics. At the beginning, it's P for soft. That's the right hand. The left hand has to be very soft. We want to hear the right hand. And when you get down to the third line, now you go up to moderately loud, which is a couple clicks higher. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. And it goes down to soft. It's an echo. And you stay soft for the last line. And when you can get all that, maybe take it up to speed. Well, I think I did sort of moderato. To me, it's sort of in the middle somewhere. If you're walking somewhere. Whatever. There are different fingerings we can use besides what's in the book. And I tend to do that automatically. I have a habit of fingering. You'll develop a fingering style and you'll just kind of do it. So whether I'm fingering that way in the book or not, just do it that way. If your teacher wants to change the fingering, that's up to them. Don't just say, well, he didn't finger it that way. I saw that. No, just do it the way they're doing it in the book is fine. I don't feel the need to play this for you because this is a famous melody. So you can get that, I hope. Now there's repeat signs, the last two lines. You have a reverse repeat sign at the beginning of the third line and a repeat sign at the end, which means you're going to repeat those two lines back. So when you get to the repeat sign at the bottom, you don't go to the beginning. There's a reverse repeat sign, you go to that. If there were no reverse repeat sign there, then yes, you'd go to the beginning and play it all again. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms, and I am going to do the repeats, but I'm not going to do the louds and softs and that. We're just going to play it. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go.